Laziness is the silent enemy that destroys dreams, ambitions, and potential without making a sound. It sneaks into life disguised as comfort, whispering in your ears that you can always start tomorrow and that tomorrow never comes. It convinces you that taking a break is necessary, that resting for a little longer won't make a difference, that waiting for the right time is a smart decision. But before you even realize it, days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. And all you are left with is regret, wondering where all the time went and why you never became the person you were meant to be. Laziness is not just about lying in bed all day or avoiding work. It is a mindset that cripples you from within. It is the voice in your head that tells you it is okay to delay, to do just enough to get by, to let go of discipline and effort. It is the habit of making excuses, the tendency to avoid discomfort, the fear of hard work. It stops you from pushing yourself, from improving, from achieving greatness. It is the biggest reason why most people remain stuck in lives they do not love. It is the silent force that keeps people from chasing their dreams, from taking risks, from unlocking their true potential. Success does not come to those who wait. It does not come to those who wish, hope, or dream without action. It comes to those who are willing to work when others rest. It comes to those who are willing to wake up early, to stay up late, to push through discomfort, to show up every single day even when they do not feel like it. The world is full of people who had great ideas but never acted on them, who had talent but never put in the effort, who had ambition but allowed laziness to steal their future. And that is the saddest reality of life. Not failure, but wasted potential. The difference between people who succeed and people who do not is not intelligence, talent, or luck. It is discipline. The ability to do what needs to be done, even when they do not feel like it. The willingness to put in the effort, even when motivation fades. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. But discipline? It is what keeps you moving forward when everything inside you wants to stop. It is what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary, the successful from the struggling, the achievers from the dreamers. Laziness is the enemy of discipline. It convinces you that it is okay to take it easy, to relax, to avoid effort. But nothing worth having in life comes without effort. Every great success story is built on a foundation of hard work, sacrifice, and relentless persistence. Every person who has ever achieved something remarkable had to fight against their own laziness, their own doubts, their own excuses. They had to wake up every day and choose to push themselves to do more, to be more. Excuses are the weapons of the lazy. I do not have time. I am too tired. I will start tomorrow. I do not feel ready. These are the lies people tell themselves to justify their lack of effort. But the truth is, everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. Everyone has challenges. Everyone faces difficulties. The difference is what you choose to do with your time, how you choose to face your challenges, how you respond to the obstacles in your path. The people who succeed are not the ones who have it easy. They are the ones who refuse to let excuses stop them. Laziness is comfortable, but comfort is dangerous. Growth only happens when you step outside your comfort zone, when you push past your limits, when you challenge yourself to do more than you think you can. The best things in life are on the other side of effort, struggle, and persistence. Every successful person had to sacrifice comfort to get where they are. They had to wake up earlier, work harder, push through exhaustion, ignore distractions, stay disciplined when others were being lazy. They had to fight against their own weaknesses, their own doubts, their own fears. Laziness is a slow poison. It does not destroy you in a day, but over time, it eats away at your potential. Every day you waste is a day you will never get back. Every opportunity you ignore is a step further from your dreams. Every moment spent in laziness is a moment stolen from your future. And one day you will look back and realize that you wasted the most valuable thing you had. Time. People who kill their laziness are the ones who take control of their lives. They do not wait for the right time. They create the right time. They do not depend on motivation. They rely on discipline. They do not let their feelings dictate their actions. They take action regardless of how they feel. They understand that every single day is a chance to move forward, to improve, to become better, and they do not waste that chance. You are not born to be lazy. You are not born to waste your potential. You are not born to live an average life. You were born to achieve, to grow, to create, to succeed. But that will not happen if you continue choosing laziness over effort, excuses over action, comfort over discipline. The time to change is now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not someday, now. Because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. The longer you stay lazy, the deeper it takes root in your life. And the only way to break free is to take action. Now, no one can do this for you. No one can force you to work harder, to be disciplined, to stop making excuses. It is a choice only you can make. And it is a choice that will define your future. Will you continue to let laziness steal your dreams, your success, your happiness? Or will you stand up, take control, and kill your laziness before it kills you? The greatest enemy you will ever face is not in the outside world. It is within you. It is the voice that tells you to wait, to rest, to take it easy. It is the feeling that convinces you that tomorrow is always an option, that there is no need to rush, that a little more comfort will not hurt. It is the habit of choosing the easiest path, of avoiding challenges, of settling for less. And if you do not fight this enemy, it will win. It will take your dreams, your ambitions, your future, and leave you with nothing but regret. Every person who has ever achieved something remarkable had to fight this battle. They had to wake up every morning and choose discipline over laziness, effort over excuses, action over hesitation. They had to train their minds to push forward, to keep moving, to work even when they did not feel like it. Because success is not about feelings. It is about commitment. It is about doing what needs to be done, no matter how hard, no matter how tiring, no matter how uncomfortable. Laziness is deceptive. It feels good in the moment. It feels easy, relaxing, comfortable, but it is a trap. Because while you are resting, the world is moving forward. While you are waiting for motivation, others are building their dreams. While you are making excuses, someone else is taking action. And one day you will wake up and realize that you are far behind, that you have wasted years, that you have let your own weakness hold you back. That is the most painful realization. To know that you had everything you needed to succeed, but you chose not to use it. Every person has the same number of hours in a day. The difference is how they use them. Some spend those hours working, creating, improving, pushing themselves beyond their limits. Others spend those hours scrolling through their phones, watching television, sleeping too much, wasting time on meaningless things. And then they wonder why their lives do not change. They wonder why they are stuck, why they are unhappy, why success seems so far away. But success is not far away. It is within reach. It is just waiting for you to get up and chase it. You cannot expect to achieve greatness if you are not willing to put in the work. Nothing in life comes easy. Every successful person you admire had to sacrifice their comfort, had to push through pain, had to keep going even when they felt like giving up. They had to train their minds to reject laziness, to reject excuses, to reject anything that kept them from their goals. They understood that success is not a result of luck. It is a result of consistent, disciplined effort. Your future is being decided right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not someday, now. Every decision you make today is shaping the person you will become. Every time you choose to work instead of rest, to push instead of stop, to try instead of quit, you are building a stronger version of yourself. And every time you choose laziness, you are doing the opposite. You are weakening yourself, you are moving backward, you are delaying your success. The only way to kill your laziness is to stop waiting for motivation and start creating discipline. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you will feel inspired, other days you will not. But discipline does not depend on how you feel. Discipline is a choice, a habit, a commitment. It is waking up every day and doing what needs to be done no matter what. It is choosing to work even when you are tired, to push through even when you want to stop, to stay focused even when distractions are calling your name. There will always be distractions, there will always be temptations, there will always be moments when you want to give up, when laziness feels like the easier option. But the people who succeed are the ones who push through those moments. They are the ones who stay focused when everyone else gets distracted. They are the ones who keep going when everyone else gives up. They are the ones who understand that hard work is the price of success. And they are willing to pay that price every single day. If you want to change your life, you have to change your habits. You have to stop waiting for the right time and start taking action now. You have to stop making excuses and start finding solutions. You have to stop being lazy and start being disciplined. Because the life you want is possible. The success you dream of is possible, but it will not come to you. You have to go out and earn it.